Okay, here it goes. The fireworks. Guys, we're not any other of these games. We're playing game, but you know what? Go to the website, like a good day. Look for game for like a Sprunky show. Sprunksters. Sprunky Studios is gone, and no Sprunky show. Wait, why is it not working? Okay. Oops, it's doing better. Look at it, it's doing better. Gameplay, and it's going right there. Downside of the game player. All the way to this. You know what's gonna happen. We are showing you a game that it's Stop, Donald. We are still showing up our favorite game. Wait for it. Okay. We're waiting. Okay, it's nearly there. Again, guys, we're not playing another of these games. We are playing, you know what it is? It's Monsters! Yeah, boy! Oh, God damn it, that's right. Let's try to make pirate song. Oh my God! The army are in the ship! Look at this! Sail around the seas! Across the seas! You will find a mermaid! Okay. Oh, look out! There's a cannon! Okay, now let's try to make what he never felt so spunky. You can see, I guess you need that color. So spunky! Yup, at Sprunksters, he just gets so spunky, spunky. Now, it's time for brown to black! Brown to black! It's the brown to black band! Yay! Now, here goes my keys! The hamburglar! Rubble! Oh, sorry, I just said me and my keys and the hamburglar. Okay. Please, it will not be ugly. Okay, and human. Please, no, that's like Afghani. Oh, I recognize it. We don't know what that looks like. What is here? Oh, let's try to make a rock song. Now this seems familiar. It's the one that we have got in 32 Heroes. And for the grand finale, it's just some random things. It's just like gone old. It's like Dr. Krieger! No, it's like Dr. Krieger from WarioWare. Here's the comparison. I'll put Donald and then let's see the comparison. Okay, now just comment below the difference in this comparison. But it's not yet over because here's the grand finale.